Have you ever imagined that a simple vitamin could be the key to protecting your kidneys and preventing serious problems? It may seem counterintuitive, but the truth is that many people have no idea about the power vitamin D can have on kidney health. And what if I told you that this vitamin, easily found in foods or even supplements, can not only quickly reduce proteinuria but also help repair your kidneys effectively? It might sound controversial, but this is a solution that few people know about, and it can completely transform the way you take care of your health. Want to know how to ensure this protection and avoid serious complications? Keep reading to discover how this simple change can bring quick and surprising results. Kidney health importance. The kidneys are, without a doubt, one of the most important pillars of our health. They act as true filters, removing toxins and excesses from our body, something that often goes unnoticed. Imagine your kidneys as small guardians of your renal health, working tirelessly to keep everything in balance. However, signs like proteinuria, the unwanted presence of proteins in the urine, can be the first indication that something is wrong. When these guardians start to fail, the entire body system can collapse, and that is something no one wants to face. It is crucial to understand that when the kidneys are compromised, overall health is also at risk. The presence of proteinuria is not just a warning sign but a cry for help from your body. This symptom can indicate that the kidneys are not filtering impurities correctly, which can lead to severe consequences. Here, the goal is clear: take care of renal health to avoid bigger problems. If you have already noticed something wrong, like swelling or foamy urine, it's time to pay attention and seek help. However, it is not just about identifying problems but also about acting preventively. Keeping kidney health in check is essential to avoid future complications. Small daily adjustments can make a big difference, like staying hydrated and adopting a balanced diet. Now, you may be wondering, what else can I do to ensure my kidneys keep functioning well? The answer to this starts with the crucial role certain vitamins play in kidney health, especially vitamin D. Vitamin D's role. Vitamin D is much more than just an ally in calcium absorption. It plays a fundamental role in maintaining kidney health. Imagine vitamin D as a key that unlocks the kidney's ability to function at their best potential. Studies show that adequate levels of this vitamin can help reduce proteinuria, an early sign that something is not right with your kidneys. If you are looking to improve your kidney health, it is essential to pay attention to the levels of vitamin D in your body. In addition to helping reduce proteinuria, vitamin D also contributes to the repair of damaged kidney tissues. Think of it as a natural reinforcement that your body needs to repair small injuries before they become bigger problems. A deficiency of this vitamin can seriously compromise kidney health, leading to complications that could easily be avoided. Therefore, make sure you are getting enough vitamin D, whether through moderate sun exposure, supplements, or foods rich in this vitamin. For those who want to start incorporating more vitamin D into their daily lives, there are several practical options. Foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and mushrooms are great sources. But if you live in a place with little sunlight, you might need to consider a supplement. However, remember that it is always good to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation. And speaking of health, it is important to be aware of the risks that untreated proteinuria can bring, something we will explore more deeply next. Risks of proteinuria. Proteinuria, if left untreated, is a true silent villain for the kidneys. It may seem harmless at first glance, but the accumulation of proteins in the urine is an indication that the kidneys are not performing their role effectively. Over time, this condition can evolve into something much more serious, like chronic kidney disease, CKD. Imagine your kidneys as filters that begin to clog, allowing dangerous substances to remain in the body, damaging your kidney and overall health. Chronic kidney disease is a condition that affects millions of people around the world and often develops slowly over the years without the individual realizing it. Proteinuria is one of the first warning signs of this condition. If not controlled, it can lead to a progressive decline in kidney function, culminating in kidney failure or the need for dialysis. Furthermore, the continued presence of proteinuria is strongly associated with a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases, which are responsible for serious and even fatal complications. So, what can be done to avoid this scenario? The answer starts with awareness and strict medical monitoring. Identifying and treating proteinuria early is crucial to prevent its progression to chronic kidney disease and its associated complications. This involves lifestyle adjustments, blood pressure control, and often the use of specific medications. But how can you take the first steps to protect your kidneys and prevent further damage? The answer may lie in something as simple as diet and lifestyle, which we will discuss shortly. Diet and lifestyle. Taking care of your kidneys starts with simple but powerful choices in diet and lifestyle. Incorporating foods rich in vitamin D, like salmon, sardines, and eggs, can make a big difference in kidney health. These foods not only help maintain adequate vitamin D levels but also contribute to reducing proteinuria and protecting the kidneys from future damage. Additionally, a balanced diet, low in sodium and rich in fruits and vegetables, can be a great ally in maintaining kidney health. Lifestyle also plays a vital role. Regular exercise, for example, helps keep blood pressure under control, which is crucial to prevent the worsening of proteinuria and the progression of chronic kidney disease. A simple habit, like walking daily, can be extremely beneficial for the kidneys and overall health. Moreover, adequate hydration is essential. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps ensure that the kidneys function efficiently, filtering toxins and maintaining body balance. However, a healthy diet and an active lifestyle are just part of the equation. Prevention and kidney health care require a broader approach. This includes regular visits to the doctor to monitor kidney function and adjust treatment as needed. After all, a comprehensive strategy is the best way to ensure that the kidneys continue to perform their vital role in maintaining overall health. Now, let's explore how this integrated approach can be the key to a long and healthy life. Comprehensive approach. To ensure your kidneys remain healthy, it is necessary to adopt a comprehensive approach that combines diet, exercise, and regular medical follow-ups. It is not enough to focus on one isolated aspect. It is the combination of these actions that brings effective results. Imagine your kidney health as an orchestra, where each instrument, diet, lifestyle, and medical exams, needs to be in tune to produce a harmonious melody. Keeping all these factors in balance is the secret to preserving kidney function and avoiding future complications. Maintaining a routine of regular checkups is essential, as it allows for the identification of problems before they become severe. During these visits, blood and urine tests can reveal early any signs of kidney impairment, allowing necessary measures to be taken immediately. Additionally, your doctor can adjust treatment, recommend vitamin D supplements, or dietary changes, all aimed at protecting your kidneys and improving your overall health. This close monitoring is the foundation of an effective strategy to keep your kidneys functioning well. However, do not underestimate the importance of maintaining an active lifestyle and a balanced diet. These are the pillars that support long-term kidney health. Simple practices, such as reducing salt and sugar intake, walking daily, and ensuring adequate fluid intake, can make a significant difference. By adopting this holistic approach, you are not only taking care of your kidneys but also promoting overall health. Now, knowing all this, the real question is, are you ready to adopt these changes and protect your kidneys for the future? So, after understanding the power that vitamin D can have on the health of your kidneys, the question is, what will you do from now on? Will you continue neglecting your kidney health, or will you adopt these simple changes that can literally save your kidneys? Imagine what it would be like to live with more energy, without the constant fear of kidney complications. It's time to act. Start today by including vitamin D-rich foods in your diet, exercising regularly, and above all, keeping your exams up to date. Don't wait for problems to arise to take action. The time to change is now. And if you want to keep learning more about how to stay healthy, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Let's embark on this journey to a healthier life together.